Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I really appreciate your support, guys. So in this video, what I'm making here is the Spider-Man Tasm mask from the movie that 2012 I think it was, or something around there, with Andrew Garfield. This is the first the Amazing Spider-Man suit. So making the mask overall, it's a long process because first you gotta purchase the files. Pretty much the files are just a pattern. Then you gotta find a company that's gonna print it for you and color the fabric, make it look good. Then they send it back to you after you cut the pattern, and you gotta make sure you know what you're gonna cut. Well, so what I do is I cut the pattern, then I trace with thread where I'm gonna sew the pattern, and then after that I just sew it by hand. So it takes a little while, like you can see here, I'm doing it by hand. It takes a long time because it has to be done by hand because I don't have that expertise that like a seamstress or a professional tailor does. So I want to make it look perfect, so I gotta make sure it's even where it has to be. Even, so the mask looks really good. You can do it without making it even, but then there's certain things that are not gonna look good in detail, and I'd rather take my time and just go through the whole process. And it's a long process, as you can see. After doing this, after marking and then doing it by hand, making sure it's even, that's the last step, is just go with the machine. But before that is just hand, making sure you sew it, and you gotta be careful, like give it a look every time. And after that you just go by with the machine. It takes like 30 seconds. Honestly, it was so quick, it was so easy. After you finish with the machine, you gotta try it on again, and after that there's still one more step that you have to finish the stitching with the machine. There's another zigzag stitching, so you make sure it's not gonna rip or anything. The mask has to be perfectly well done, and you gotta cut the extra fabric from inside the mask, and if not, it's gonna make it look a little disfigured when you put it on. And try to make the zigzag as small as you can, so when the extra fabric inside, it's not gonna look bad. I really hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I know it's a long process, and right now you're just watching the video and you guys are wondering what's going on. I had to do it this fast because this is a couple days worth of work, because I did it by hand, experience and all that I was talking to you about. But overall it was a good learning experience. So hopefully I can make more masks. And yeah guys, I'm sorry, I didn't think it was gonna be that long. I'm talking for like 3 minutes and the whole video is 5 minutes, but it takes its shape. Take your time, that's what I really suggest, and try not to just rush it. Try to do it slow and the best you can, because this mask I'm gonna do a little 3D paint on it after, so it looks even more realistic. And now we go with this. That's the sewing. It was very easy, but you gotta be careful when you're sewing to make sure that the other side you don't sew parts that you're not supposed to. And what you're gonna learn is, with the machine you have to stretch it and make sure the bottom is not attached to another part. This is a finished mask. I still need the frames and everything, but that's the finished mask and that's how it looks. And I still gotta fix a little bit on top of the head because I really didn't like how that middle line came out. I was supposed to stitch a little more there, and I really didn't use my brains for it, but hopefully you guys don't mind it, and let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate your support, guys. Have a good one. I'll be doing more videos like this, and I really think I have to do a tutorial, like really good tutorial. So thank you guys, have a good one.